Good evening, gentlemen. Thank you
Good
very
evening,
much for
Lasa.
giving me. Good evening, Susiri. Good evening, Maklam. Good evening, Priyanka.
Good evening, Lasantha.
Evening.
Uh, Thank you very much for giving me your valuable time. Actually, this is a qualitative market research for my MBA to understand customer needs and unmet needs and gaps. First of all, I would like to ask two questions, every one of you. Uh, Maklam, what kind of biscuit are you buying at present?
Manchi Hawaiian cookies.
Java and cookies. Uh, Priyanka, what kind of biscuit are you buying at present?
Um, I've been buying few brand Lasa. Mainly, I would like to buy Melbourne cream crackers.
Uh, if I ask same question from you, so Siri, what kind of biscuit are you buying at present?
Lasantha, it's Manchi chocolate bar.
Anji chocolate bar. Okay. Uh, Maklam, how many years you have been buying this product?
Lasantha, I think around 7 years.
Around 7 years. Priyanka, how many years you have been buying this product?
Lasa, it's quite hard to tell you exactly what is the time been, but mainly I have been buying around 5 years.
Around 5 years. So Siri, how many years you have been buying this product?
Lasantha, I have been buying chocolate puff around 10 years.
Around 10 years. Macklem, why do you prefer to buy Hawaiian cookies?
Actually, Lasa, I like to taste of coconut flavor, and my
Okay.
family and my kids also like to have it.
Okay. If I ask same question from you, Priyanka, what do you prefer to buy? Why do you prefer to buy?
Lasa, basically, I don't like to eat sweety product, whatever it is. Uh,
Okay.
but I like the flavor of the Malibu, and I like that crispy.
Uh-huh.
Uh, that is the mainly thing I would like to buy Malibu. Yes.
Okay. So, Siri, why do you prefer to buy Manji chocolate puff?
Normally, Lasantha, I'm a chocolate lover. In the chocolate puff, it has creamy chocolate flavor with mixing sugar. So I prefer to buy chocolate puff.
Okay. Makram, if I want to know, from where do you buy your selected products? Your Manji Hawaiian cookies products.
Lasa, if I give very short answer, Keel Super.
You buy from K Super.
Yes, you are correct.
Priyanka, from where do you buy your cream crackers?
Lasa, as you know, I'm living in countryside. Basically, I don't have the big food cities like Kiel Super. I'm going to buy a small boutique, the near stores, what I have in the countryside.
Okay. So Siri, if I ask same question from you, from where do you buy your selected products?
No any permanent place, Lasantha. Because of my job, I'm traveling all over the country. So I buy the products when I'm traveling.
You are buying your products when you are traveling. Okay. And Maklam, if you don't find your selected biscuit, Hawaiian cookies
Mm-hmm.
in your shop, from where do you buy your biscuit?
Actually, Lasantha, as I said you earlier, I am buying from Keel Super because it is the largest supermarket chain in Sri Lanka.
Mhm.
I didn't face that scenario yet, but if I couldn't find that product in Keel Super, then I will go Cargill's.
Okay. Priyanka, if you don't find your selected biscuit, from where do you buy your biscuits?
Lasa, as I said, and with the pandemic, it's quite hard to buy everything as we wish. But if I face that incident in several time I couldn't find cream crackers in the shop. So I didn't buy another product. Whatever it is, if you don't have cream crackers, I'm coming back home without anything.
Okay. It means you are depend on your shop.
Yes, basically I'm living in countryside.
Countryside. Okay. So sir, if you don't find a selected biscuit product in your shop, from where do you buy your biscuits?
I'm not going for any other category because of my job. I'm traveling all over the country, so I can find it anywhere. If I can't find it today, I'm waiting for tomorrow to buy it from any store.
Will buy tomorrow. Okay. Macklem, what do you think about packing size of your biscuit? I mean, your Manji Hawaiian cookies biscuit packing size.
I think better if it has seal pack, because we are not eating whole pack at one time, no, Lasa. So we have to find something to keep remaining biscuits.
Okay. Priyank, if I ask same question from you, what do you think about the packing size of your biscuit? I mean the cream crackers.
Lasa, we are experiencing with our busy life. It's quite hard to stay in the home whole time. Then I would like to buy the sachet packet if we have. Otherwise, there is a possibility to broken few biscuits within the packets, and it's quite hard to bring all the times big pack instead of the small pack. Then basically I prefer to buy sachet packet. Yes.
I prefer to buy sachet packet instead of the big and normal pack. Okay, so
Yes.
Siri, what do you think about the packing size of your biscuit? I mean your chocolate puff.
In chocolate puff lasanta, it has mini packs and medium packs, so I have no problem with the packing size in chocolate puff. I'm comfortable with the packing which has.
Okay, you are comfortable with the current packing sizes. Okay,
Yes.
and Macklem, I can ask from you, if you have a chance to buy another type of biscuit instead of the Hawaiian cookies, what do you prefer?
Then I will go by Manchi Nice.
You will go to buy Manchi Nice.
Yes,
And Priyanka, what is your choice?
According to my rationalization, Lasa, at the beginning, basically I don't like to buy sweetie. If I don't have anything to buy, the like crackers, I prefer to buy ginger biscuit.
Ginger biscuit. Okay. So Siri, if you have a chance to buy another type of biscuit instead of the chocolate puff, what do you prefer?
I'm Lasant. I'm also a cheese lover, so I prefer cheese puff.
You prefer cheese puff. Okay, so and Macklem, which brand is best for the consumer health? You know, as you know, most of the producers are adding artificial things
Yes.
to their products. So which brand name do you prefer to healthy?
Yes, sir. If I give very short answer, sir, I think Manchi.
Priyank, if I ask same question, what do you prefer?
Plus, with the current situations, we need to consider our immune systems and healthy point of view also. We need to consider the content of the product. Then I'm highly prefer to buy Manchi instead of the Malibu. Yes, I believe personally Manchi is quite a better product comparatively Malibu.
You prefer to buy Manchi. Okay, that's good. So Siri, if I ask same question from you, Which brand name do you prefer instead of the chocolate puff?
It's Melbourne, Lasantha.
Melbourne. So Macklem, if I ask about to promote Munchie brand, what is the best promotional method to be used as you prefer based on your understanding?
Rasa, I think social media is the best one. There are video producers at the moment in YouTube. Most of the people use YouTube. As per my view, YouTube is the best. And outside events like roadshow is also better.
Better. It means that you are prefer to outside roadshow and YouTube. Okay.
Yes, Rasa, you are correct.
Priyank, if I ask same question from you, what is the best promotional method to be used?
Lasa, I agree with the Macallum certain extent level because the social media is dominated in throughout the globe, even in Sri Lanka, especially within the young generation. But with the pandemic, all people in the family point of view, they are spending a lot of time in front of the TV, FM radio. Then I'm strongly believe the better and best method to follow up the TV advertisement as well as FM broadcasting. Uh, it will support to attract more people in very low cost. I believe yes, TV and FM radio point of view.
Yeah, it means that your point of view, you agree with the Macallum answer, and also you have an idea. If we have TV advertisement and broadcasting news, it will be better. And also,
Yes,
Susri,
with the current scenario, because all family get together in the home. That's why I prefer to TV telecasting and broadcasting of FMS.
yes. Thank you, Priyanka. So, Susri, what is the best promotional method to be used as per your understanding?
These days, Lasantha, most of the people are using social media, and even with the mobile phone, we are using more social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So I think the best method is social media to promote this.
Best method is social media. Okay. The last question. I'm going to ask from Macklem. Macklem, what are the competitive brands for Munchie in Sri Lanka? Because the previous answer you both gave me the answer for the Munchie. What are the competitor brands for the Munchie in Sri Lanka?
Yes, Rasa, there are plenty of brands in Sri Lanka, but I think Melbourne is the main competitor.
Okay, the Melbourne is the main competitor for the Munchie. Okay,
Yes,
and
yeah.
Priyanka, what do you think? What are the most competitive brands for the Munchie in Sri Lanka?
Lasa, in my family point of view, I have two child. Basically, those two kids are allowed to sweetie product. Then I think Rishberry is the main main competitor in Sri Lanka, apart from Melbourne point of view.
Rishberry. Susiri, what is your idea?
Yes, I think it's Melbourne is the main competitor for Munchie, and as Priyanka said, Rishberry also a good brand by comparing with Melbourne and Munchie. Also, we have another brands like Diana and Cherry Seeds also competitors for the Munchie brand.
Okay. So thank you, Priyanka, Macklem, Susiri, for giving your valuable ideas. And also thank you, you gave me your valuable time. So it will be helpful me to success my MBA qualitative market research. So once again, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much, Lasa.
Thank you,
very much.
Thank you,
Lasantha.
Lasa. Thanks
Have a
all.
nice evening.
Thank you. Have a good
Okay,
day.
nice day.